to my malevolent kitchen. Today our specials.
Try again.
We're gonna see what's inside the juice. We have two pig nut sacks with sperm cells. We're gonna take out the sperm cells first, so we can store the pig's nut sack with special goodies. Here we have our sewer where Birdly gives us minerals or food and shit. Going down. Today, Birdly has given us a crate of goodies. Yay! Mm. Hello, dear Poknut. I gave you 300 for you to try today. Birdlo. I think he misspelled his name. What the fuckers? What the fucker bunkers? Alright, let's see what's in the crate. See what's in the crate.
Oh, good.
Whoa! We're gonna try it out today. Give me half of it. I'm taking half of everything.
I'm recording too.
I'm gonna store it in the pig nut sack later.
Alright.
You know I love it when I store pig nut sack. First off, we have honey rabbit. We're gonna rate this.
Alright.
Ew, why are you looking like that? Is that Epstein? Is that Epstein?
No, it's Joe Biden.
Oh, Joe Biden. Okay, we're gonna eat honey rabbit. ASMR. That's pretty good. I'm gonna put it inside the pig nut sack. Bro, do you want your own pig nut sack? I have two.
No need. I'm just recording PS.
Chocolate ice cream cup. Wow, what about diabetes?
Hell yeah.
Hell yes. Potato rib dish. Whoa, this is so nice. You're just... Potato rib dish. Whoa, it even leaves
I
plates.
have no idea.
I have a chicken taco. Whoa, chicken taco. That's cannibalism.
Yes.
That's cannibalism. Chicken taco. ASMR, ASMR. What? No, why would it be? Birdly wouldn't do that. There you go. Here's Birdly's note.
Alright.
And we have a hot dog. Wow, Birdly is so generous today.
Yeah, who is Bird?
I don't know. He comes to my field and leaves note. Sometimes crates of goodies. I'm gonna put this inside the pig nut sack. Here, you can have the sperm cells. Why'd you look at like that, bro? Bro, just take the sperm cells.
Ah, I was recording.
I'm just gonna give it to the gay strip club then. Here it is.
It's empty.
The gay bar.
It's empty because everyone was annihilated.
Why'd you kill everyone? I'm just gonna leave these sperm cells here. I'm just gonna leave these sperm cells here.
Oh, God.
We make our daring escape through the vents.
Wheelchair sounds nice.
Brethren, come here. Why'd you take the sperm cells? You said you didn't want the sperm cells.
Bah, I free trial. Hold on, bro. Let me.
How'd you get in a fucking wheelchair, brethren?
I wheelchair.
Is there actually a wheelchair? Bro! There's no way there's a wheelchair.
Look.
Sime! Must have been the wind. We have more pig's nut sack. Yo, I have a special dish for you to try.
Let me see.
I have a special dish for you to try. Come here to my kitchen.
I'm walking slow.
Oh shit, I forgot I ate it.
Bah,
I was gonna give you some shit juice.
what about orange juice? Come.
Shit juice.
What shit came from?
Came out of zombie shits.
It came from children.
Whoa! That's
Imagine Joe Biden in a wheelchair.
pig nut sack. Oh, I hit the chair. Oh, my green screen. Shitters. I need to get some lime wool.
In this concrete.
I never really knew what the difference was because I always come when I see pig come. Oh shit!
Oh,
We're gonna go to my grandpa. We're gonna go to the kitchen. We're gonna go to my kitchen. We're gonna go to the kitchen. Grandpa, we're gonna go to my kitchen. Let's go. Oh, dead. Come on, Grandpa, let's go. Go. Run. You do realize that the wheelchair is like slower, right? No, you're going back. You're going back to the foster home if you don't copy me. I will turn you into shit juice, bitch.
no. Why Joe Biden in a wheelchair?
I thought the same question.
Run.
Gonna cripple you. I'm gonna break your wheelchair. Yes. No, yes, another one. Why do you always have wheelchairs in your pocket? Oh! Why did you put the rest in your pig nut sack?
No idea. You may training,
You know, not the one. You just placed another one down.
No.
I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I need my chef's knife.
Oh shit.
I have my knife now. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. My signature knife dish. No!
Yes.
I'm gonna kill you like how I killed these cows and turned them into shit juice. I'm spamming them. No, 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 no. Physical attack. Shut the fuck your shit, eh? Get it?
No.
Yes. No, brethren, why do you have so many wheelchairs?
Come on, I think.
No, 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 no. No! Stop going in wheelchairs. I'm gonna throw you into the big nut sack.
No.
No! Get the wrong way.
Yes. You're on a wheelchair, bro. Yes, I think I'm on a wheelchair. Oh. Nah, bro.
Oh shit!
Oh, run. Survival.
Oh fuck! Kill them. Why is he in full gold armor? You're mine! I'm gonna shoot arrows at you. You're mine, Joe Biden!
Well, nah.
You're mine! I have power too! Ah! I have power too! King Julian! King Julian! You're gonna run out of wheelchairs eventually! King, yes! Give me all your wheelchairs! I'm gonna sell this to the black market.
No. Oh, he's my
I'm gonna eat this bone.
McDonald's. I'm now
I
working.
have bone meal.
I'm now working at McDonald's.
I'm gonna track you down, Joe Biden.
Oh, yeah.
Oh shit!
What is chasing you? Now you can't run away from me. Save me something. No.
Back up. You're gonna die! You're gonna get hit by lightning! Oh, oh shit! Oh! No! Hold on.